Yeah.
Come on, guys, swing your arms, clap your hands, what do you want? Yeah! Well, down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans, came back and it was about a average dream. You should have not carried me from where the wood. We lived a country boy named Johnny B. Good. Never ever learned to read so right so well. He could play the guitar just like a radio girl. Go, go, what's it? Go, Johnny, go, go, go. 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 Well, that's Johnny B. Good. He carried his guitar in a dunny sack, went him beneath the tree by the railroad track. All the answer he was seen in the street, drumming to the rhythm of the driveway. People passing by, maybe stop and say, oh my, the little country boy can play. Oh, go, come on there. Go, Johnny, go, go, go. 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 Well, that's Johnny B. Good. Let's see with you again, time now. Mother's Day is coming, and he will be the leader of the big old band. Many people coming from miles around to listen to the music when the sun goes down. Maybe a day will be a nice day. Johnny be good tonight. Come on in. Go. Go, Johnny, go, go, 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 go. Well, that's Johnny B. Good.
Well done, Rob. Zoe, what did you think?
I absolutely love that. Like, I wanted to be like a granddad. That was so cute. I love that. You brought me. No, like that performance has made me feel so happy. Like it brought what's the
Just good vibe.
Yeah, like it was just really fun, and like considering like the tempo and your movement and everything, the performance side as well was spot on. It was brilliant, and despite like the tempo of the song, your diction and breathing was still all really, really good. So well done, yeah. It was amazing. Well done.
Yeah, Rob, that was a really fun performance, you know, and you got moves. Reminded me of myself in blisters back when I was 18. But no, it was a fun performance. It was lovely to watch. The crowd loved it, but it's one of those songs that everyone will always enjoy. For me, I think it's the wrong song for a singing competition. You're up against some serious vocalists, and that did nothing in showing off your vocals. But it was good in the sense that it gave you that opportunity to really let go on stage. But song choice for me was wrong. At a gig, perfect, because everyone, regardless of where you are, they will love that song. I've sung it myself and it goes down a storm everywhere. But yeah, there was some timing issues as we went on through the end, but like I say, it was a fun performance. At a gig it would have been spot on. For a competition, try and find something that's going to show off your vocals more, because you can have a fun performance, but when there's people getting up there showing some serious vocals, you're going to drift into the background, and you've got the voice there, you've got the potential. It's just finding that right song. But well done, darling.
Rob, I mean, it's themes, you know, and the theme that you was limited to this week was up-tempo. With you having like an older like sort of list of songs and things, and I get what you mean, like maybe just try some modern songs and stuff, that would help. But we, like I said, so far that's what you've been doing. You've been doing songs that show off your voice. for up-tempo choice, I don't necessarily look for people to show off their voice as much as performance. The whole idea of putting up-tempo there is for you all to let loose and let your confidence build from just letting yourself go. That wasn't a vocal spectacular, it wasn't that. But it was fun, it was energetic, and for me, for my theme, that's exactly what I expected, because I want you all to loosen up. I know you can all sing, I've heard you doing your strip back songs. I want you to loosen up this week, and that's exactly what I wanted to see. You just having fun. The end of it did go to time, but I think you were so in there, so much energy that you kind of lost. Yeah, but honestly, but I genuinely didn't care, because what I expected, when we all expect things from these themes, was for people to loosen up there, and you loosened up by a mile. So well done. You've done exactly what I wanted for this week, so well done, buddy. Round of applause for Rob, guys.